Hello everyone, I am Saranjit Singh from Akal Academy Dayalpur Mirza. Today we will discuss one topic from chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction of class 10th. So let's start. So there are two questions for you. Think and try to give the answer. The first question is, how do we see objects with light? Okay, like this. Okay, so how this person will be able to see this flower? The next question is, why does a coin placed at the bottom of a vessel appears to be raised when water is poured into the vessel? Okay, like this. So in this video we will try to find the answers of these two questions. First, we need to understand that what is a reflection of light. Okay, suppose there is a torch. Okay, so when you switch on the torch, the light is emitted from the torch. Okay, so this is what? This is a reflecting surface. So this is a reflecting surface. Now, so when you switch on the torch, so the light is emitted in from the torch, and you know that the light is always travel in a straight line. Okay, so the rays of light or the beam of light is emitted from the torch, and it is moving towards the reflecting surface. So this is a reflecting surface. Okay, and a reflecting surface will reflect this torch light. Okay, so the reflecting surface will reflect this light, okay, in other direction but in the same medium. Okay, and there is a person. Okay, so the person will be able to see that surface, okay, with the help of a reflection of light. That means we can see the objects only if there is a reflection of light. Okay, that means we can see the objects with the reflection of light. Okay, now next thing is, this is a incident ray. Incident ray means that light, that ray of light which is emitted from the source of light. Okay, so incident ray coming from the luminous object. Okay, so this is a incident ray. Incident ray means which is incident on the reflecting surface. So in this case there is a mirror. So mirror will act as a reflecting surface because it will reflect the light, okay, in the other direction. If this is an incident ray, so this is what? This is a reflected ray because it is reflected from the reflecting surface, that is mirror. Okay, now next is, this is a normal. Normal means actually it is a 90-degree angle with the reflecting surface. Okay, so this angle I, that means this is called incident angle. So incident angle is what? The angle between incident ray and the normal, that is called incident angle. It is represented by angle I. Next is angle R. This is a angle of reflection. So what is the angle of reflection? The angle between the reflected ray and the normal, that is called angle of reflection. Okay, so in this case, the this I, angle I, it is called incident angle, and the angle R is a angle of reflection. The angle I, it is equal to angle R. Okay, that means incident angle, it is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay, now you will be able to understand that how can we or how do we see the objects. Okay, so in this case, this sun, this is a source of light. That means it will emit the light in all directions. Okay, so it will emit the light. Okay, so this is what, this is a incident ray. Okay, so this is a incident ray. Okay, so this incident ray will incident on this flower. So flower, it is act like a reflecting surface. All the objects will reflect the light. Okay, either in a small quantity or either in a large quantity. Okay, mirror is a best reflecting surface which emit all the light. Okay, so this flower will also reflect the light, but it will reflect some light. Okay, now, so this flower will reflect the light in other direction. So this is a reflected ray. Okay, so in this so this reflected ray will enter in our eye. Okay, so in this way we can see the object. Okay, now you understand that how do we see the objects, because of a reflection of light. So when the uh, incident ray is falling on a reflecting surface, so that reflecting surface will reflect the light in other directions. So that reflected ray will enter in our eye, and we will be able to see that object. Okay, now move to next topic, that is the refraction of light. So what is a refraction of light? Refraction of light means bending of light. So when it enters from or when it moves from one region to the other regions, okay, or from one medium to the another medium, so there is a refraction of light. Okay, now in this case there are two medium. The first medium is air, and the second one is glass. Okay, so air is a rare medium and glass is a denser medium. Okay, so this is what, this is a incident ray, because it incidents on the one surface of a glass. So incident ray is traveling from the air, and now it is moving in a and enters in a glass. So glass is a denser medium. Okay, so this is what, this is a normal, because it is perpendicular to the surface of a glass slab. Okay, now so when the light traveling from a rare to denser medium, then it will bend towards the normal. Okay, so this angle between the incident ray and the normal, it is called incident angle. But the angle between the refracted ray, now it is a refracted ray, because it is now refracted towards the normal inside the glass. So this is called refracted ray. And angle R, this is called refraction angle or angle of refraction. Okay, so in this case angle I, it is not equal to angle R. Okay, so that means when the light is moving from a rare to denser medium, so the light will bend towards the normal. Okay, now what happens at this surface? So at this surface, so this refracted ray, this refracted ray act as a incident ray for this surface. Now, so when it moves from a denser to rare medium, so it will bend again, but with a large angle. So this angle and this angle both are equal to each other. Okay, that means angle R and angle, suppose it's a angle I dash. Okay, so both are equal to each other, but this angle E, it is larger than angle I dash. Okay, so this is called angle of emergence, because the light is now emerged from this. So that means, so this is called incident ray, this is a refracted ray. This refracted ray act as a incident ray for this surface, and this is the emergent ray. Now, so when the light is moving from rare to denser medium, from air to glass, then the light is bent towards the normal. But when the light is moving from denser to rare medium, okay, or you can say glass to air, then it move away from the normal. Okay, now in this case the path of light will be changed due to the change in medium. Now you will be able to understand why this coin appears to be raised in a cup of water. Okay, because there is a change in medium. See, this is a coin. Okay, so coin is a object. Okay, so it will emit the rays of light in all directions. Okay, and this is a observer. Okay, now so in this case what happens actually, so this is a incident ray. Okay, so this incident ray is falling on this surface. Okay, so this is what, this is a denser medium, but this is a air is a rare medium. So when the light is moving from a denser to a rare medium, then it will bend away from the normal. Okay, so when it bend away from the normal, suppose there are two rays. Okay, so then it will bend away from the normal. Now, so for the observer it appears that these two rays are coming from point here. So that is why this coin will be appear to the observer or to the person that is raised in a cup of water. Okay, so the phenomena is refraction of light. Okay, so that is why the coin appears to be raised in a cup of water due to the refraction of light, because there is a bending of light and due to the change in medium. So thank you very much.